morning students. This is that video, fourth video, chemistry, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Okay, this video we are going to see physical properties of haloalkanes. First, physical properties: state, physical state, color, odor. Second, melting and boiling point. Third one is solubility. Okay, now going to be discussed one by one. Now first one is physical state, color and odor. Okay. Small number of haloalkanes. Small number of haloalkanes or gaseous states. Okay. Haloalkanes are gaseous at room temperature and up to C18. Haloalkanes or liquid state, and higher haloalkanes after C18. Higher haloalkanes, solid state. Okay, small haloalkanes, small number of haloalkanes are gaseous state up to C18. Haloalkanes are liquid state. Higher haloalkanes are solid state. Okay, so up to C18. Okay, up to C18 haloalkanes are colorless. Up to C18. Up to C18 haloalkanes are colorless and pleasant smell. And pleasant sweet smell. Okay, and after that higher haloalkanes, no, so that is colorless. Odorlessness. Higher haloalkanes are colorless, odorless. Okay, physical state: haloalkanes are gaseous at room temperature up to C18. Haloalkanes are liquid state. Higher haloalkanes are solid state up to C18 haloalkanes. C18 means number of carbon atoms. C18 up to C18 haloalkanes are colorless and present odor, and higher haloalkanes are colorless and odorless gas. Okay, now this is the physical state, color and odor. Now we will discuss melting and boiling point. Melting and boiling point. We know that melting and boiling point. Listen properly. Melting and boiling point. Compared to haloalkanes or haloalkanes has that what more boiling point and melting point. Increase boiling point and melting point. Increase the boiling and melting point. Haloalkanes increase the boiling and melting point compared to parent alkane. See, haloalkanes has that high melting point and boiling point compared to parent alkane. Parent alkane means high melting point and boiling point compared to parent alkane. Why that high boiling point and melting point compared convert to the parent alkane because of it depends upon the boiling point and the melting points depends upon the molecular mass. Molecular mass. Okay, molecular mass increase the molecular mass, increase the boiling point and melting point. Increase the molecular mass, increase the boiling point and melting point. Compared to the haloalkanes and parent alkane. If for example CH4 it is there, CH3Cl it is there. Okay, so if it is which one is the higher boiling point and melting point is which one is already we know haloalkanes has the high boiling point and melting point compared to the parent alkane because of that what it depends upon that molecular mass. If it is a molecular mass increases means there is increase that what boiling point and melting point. See the molecular mass is this is 12 plus 4. 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. Okay, here is 12 plus 3 plus 35. Yes or no? So which molecular mass is more? Haloalkanes molecular mass is more. Okay, so more molecular mass of haloalkanes compared to the parent alkane. That's why there is a what high boiling point and melting point. High boiling point and melting point. Understood? Haloalkanes has the high boiling point and melting point. That boiling point and melting point depends upon the molecular mass. Actually, the molecular mass of haloalkanes more compared to the parent alkane. If it is a molecular mass more, it is there means there is here more van der Waals forces, more magnitude the van der Waals forces. Magnitude the van der Waals force. Clear ma? High molecular mass it is there means there is a more magnitude van der Waals force or increase the van der Waals force. Okay, so more molecular mass, more magnitude van der Waals force. So we know haloalkanes compared to parent alkane. Haloalkanes has the more molecular masses. Okay, and there is increase the magnitude van der Waals forces. That's why it has the high boiling point and melting point. High boiling point and melting point compared to the parent alkane. Okay, this is the first one. First comparison haloalkanes and parent alkane. Haloalkanes the high boiling point and melting point compared to the alkane. Okay, this depends upon the molecular mass. Haloalkane has the more molecular mass compared to the parent alkane. So higher molecular mass, there is a high boiling point and melting point. And this also high the magnitude of van der Waals forces. Due to the slightly polarity. Okay, due to the polarity. Polarity means we know that is a what the carbon plus and partially positive charge and CH3Cl it is there means it carries a partially positive charge and it carries a partially negative charge. Okay, so there is a slightly polar nature it is there. Haloalkanes slightly polar nature it is there. So it can enhance that what melting point. It can enhance that what melting point. Why it can enhance the melting points? Due to that what slightly polar nature. Slightly polar nature or dipole-dipole interaction. Okay, so that's why the haloalkanes does not show that what melting point, only showing that what boiling points. Now let us discuss the boiling points of haloalkanes. Okay, haloalkanes. The first one is if same alkyl group, if same alkyl group and different halogen, if same alkyl group and different halogen is there means how we can identify which one is a high boiling point. Okay, now see in same alkyl group, for example CH3Cl, CH3F, CH3Cl, CH3Br, CH3I. Like that it is there. Okay. So here is see alkyl group is the same. CH3 is methyl one. Okay. But a different halogen. Like that it is given means according to that size and mass of the halogen atom. Okay. There is if suppose if the same alkyl group it is there means it will increase the boiling point. Increase the boiling point with increasing what size and mass of halogen atom. Mass of that what halogen atom. Okay, here you can see fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Which size is more? We know that is iodine size is more. Iodine size is more. So there is a iodine. Means this alkyl iodide has the more boiling point. So we can write CH3I. After that CH3Br. Increasing order of the boiling point. After that CH3Cl. After that CH3F. Clear? This is that. If it is the same alkyl group, it is there means different halogen. It is there means there is a increase the boiling point with increasing the size and mass of halogen atom. Increase the size and mass of the halogen atom. We know that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Iodine size is more, so there is a more boiling point. There is a more magnitude of van der Waals forces. Increase the size with increasing that what magnitude of van der Waals forces. That's why increasing order of that what boiling point CH3I, CH3Br, CH3Cl, CH3F. Okay, understood? So increasing the size and mass of the halogen atom, there is increasing the boiling point when if same alkyl group it is there means. If suppose the second one is if it is a same halogen group. If suppose same halogen atom, different alkyl groups. Different alkyl group it is there means for example CH3Cl, CH3CH2Cl, CH3CH2CH2Cl, CH3CH2CH2CH2Cl. Like that it is there means. Okay, same halogens but halogen atom but different alkyl groups. Like that it is there means there is a which one is a high boiling point. Okay, increase the boiling point. Increase the boiling point with increasing the number of alkyl group. Increasing the what number of alkyl group. Okay, so which one is your first according to that? Well, this is that only one carbon atom, this two carbon atom, three carbon atom. Here is what? Four carbon atom. So where the number of alkyl group is more, there is a high boiling point because the size is what? More. And magnitude van der Waals force also more. So this is the first, and after that second, after that third, and after that fourth. Understood? So increasing order of their boiling point. If it is the same halogen atom, it is there. In different alkyl group atoms is there means that increasing the boiling point with increasing the number of the alkyl group. Increasing the number of the alkyl group. According to that, we can identify which one is here more. So according to here, this is that what more boiling point. Okay. The next one is if suppose in isomeric forms. In isomeric point, decrease the boiling point with increase the branching. Increase the what? Branching. Means for example, primary CH3CH2 Cl primary, secondary CH3 CH3Cl, tertiary CH3 CH3Cl. Okay, this is the primary, this is the secondary, this is the what? Tertiary. Okay, like that it is there means they decrease the boiling point with increasing the branch. Okay, increase the branch. So here where is the increasing the branch? We know that is a tertiary. So tertiary is more. Okay, more boiling point compared to that what? Primary, second. So primary is more boiling point and secondary, first one, second, third. Okay, so if it is a branching, it is there means there is a decrease in the boiling point. Why it can be? What is the reason? If it is a branching, it is there means it can be decreases. Why that tertiary has the low boiling point compared to the secondary and the primary? Because of that is less occupy that what? Less surface area. Less surface area. Due to the less surface area, it is less contact with the adjacent molecules. Okay, less contact with what? Adjacent molecules. So that's why there is a less magnitude van der Waals forces. If it is a less magnitude van der Waals force, it is there means there is a decrease in that what? Boiling point. If it is a more van der Waals force means there is a more boiling point. We know that a boiling point we studied in the hydrocarbon chapter. Due to that van der Waals forces high, why it is a reason it is there. Yeah, we know. So that is here is less surface area. If it is a less surface area means there is a less contact with that what? Adjacent molecules. Okay, so that's why there is a less magnitude van der Waals forces. So there is a less boiling point. Understood? So compared to primary, secondary and tertiary, tertiary is a what? Less boiling point. Secondary is after that what? Primary. Clear? Next one is solubility. Solubility we know that is solubility. It is a slightly polar nature, but it is also not insoluble in water. Haloalkanes are insoluble in water. Next one is solubility. Last property is solubility. Last property is what? Solubility. It is insoluble in water. Why it is insoluble in water? Means it is a haloalkanes does not contain that water hydrogen bond, absence of. Wherever you are seeing that insoluble in water means the reason it is absence of that water hydrogen bond. Okay, when it can be bonded with water already we know that is there is a what? Hydrogen bonds are there. Water contain that what? Hydrogen bonds. We cannot be able to break that what? Hydrogen bonds. That's why the haloalkanes is soluble in water because of the haloalkanes does not have that what? Hydrogen bonds. Bond. Understood? But it can be soluble in organic solvents. Organic solvents we know benzene, carbon disulfides, ether, alcohol. Okay, there is it can be easily soluble in organic solvents. Clear? That is the physical properties of haloalkanes. Once again, the melting and boiling point compared to parent alkane, haloalkane it is a more boiling point and melting point. It can be depends upon that molecular mass. Okay, more molecular mass means there is a more magnitude van der Waals forces. Okay, so if it is a more magnitude van der Waals forces is there means there is a break. We want to break can be solid changes into the liquid or liquid changes into the gaseous. If we need to break, means we need more energy. Yes or no? So increase the magnitude van der Waals forces is more, it is there, means difficult to break. So need that what higher boiling point. So there is a high, so that what high boiling point and melting point. Okay. The next why that haloalkanes enhance the melting point, because of that dipole interaction due to that what slightly polarity nature. Okay. The next, if it is suppose same alkyl group it is there. Okay, same alkyl group but different halogens group it is there, means you can see which one is a high boiling point according to the increasing the size and mass of the halogen atoms. Okay, according to that we can identify that is what the high boiling point. Next one is, if it is a halogens group is same but different alkyl group it is there, means there is a increase that boiling point with increasing the number of alkyl group. So there is a more magnitude van der Waals forces. So there is a what high boiling point. The next branch chain. If it is a branch, it is there, means there is a less surface area. If it is a less surface area, means it can be less contact with adjacent molecules. So there is a what less magnitude decrease the magnitude van der Waals forces. If it is a decreased magnitude van der Waals forces, means there is a less boiling point. Understood? So according to that, primary, secondary and tertiary is a less has that what less boiling point, and solubility insoluble in water because of the haloalkanes does not have the hydrogen bonds. It cannot be able to break the hydrogen bond of what water. So but it is easily soluble in organic solvents. Okay, I hope you understood the physical properties of haloalkanes. You can see properly melting and boiling point and solubility. From here only they will ask the question. So see carefully, read carefully. Okay, so I hope you understood these topics. Okay, now tomorrow we can see the next topics, the chemical properties of haloalkanes. Okay, thank you.